In this tutorial we will be working with the list view in our website. In the last tutorial, we showed data listing, data stores, and other database operations from the Django admin panel. In this tutorial we will show you how to handle that same data from our website. So let's first work with the data list view on our website. Before we start, let's take a look at our website. We will show our client list view on this home page. Let's start working from the view.py file. First we need to import the client model. So to do that, type from .models import clients. The first thing we need to do is grab all the client data. I'm putting comments here for our convenience. So declare an object variable, and in this case I'll call it clients. Then call the client class from the model class. And implement the all function with dot. It will grab all its data from the client table. Now we will pass this client object reference to our home page. One thing to note here is that we will not do any work here on the logic we wrote for login in the if statement. We will mainly work on else statements. So pass this client object reference inside curly brackets. So, put the clients in quotation marks inside the curly brackets and then pass the client's object reference with a colon. Through this, we will send all the client data to the home page. Now let's open the home.html file from the template folder. Now let's delete the text welcome Tanvir from the h1 tag and write client list. Our goal is to ensure that only authenticated users see this list view, so we will view our client list within this authenticate logic code block. Now we will take a Django tag and put an if statement here, because first we will check if the client has any data or not. We are actually checking whether the client's data is available from the client object reference that we passed in the views.py file. So inside the Django tag, type if clients. Don't forget to close the if statement. Now we will use a for loop statement inside this if statement. So write for client in clients with the Django tag. Close the for loop. So we will show our client data inside this for loop. Write client to show the data with the Django tag. We are using a break tag here because we will be showing one record per loop. Let's see if our data is showing on the website or not. Oops, what happened? Why is the error showing? Oh, I think I figured out the error. We declared the client model as an object reference, but are we declaring it properly? Let's see. Let's first look at the views file where we declared the object reference. You see, I made a small mistake here. Actually, it wouldn't be right to call it a small mistake, it was a big mistake. Such a mistake is not right at all. Here you have to write .object and then .all function. Let's check again now. I hope everything is fine now. Let's refresh the browser. Great, now the data is showing.